Welcome back. Sources tell Times Now that Delhi NCR is witnessing a sharp spike in H3N2 influenza cases. Patients are reporting prolonged fever and severe cough, with recovery taking longer than usual. Sources add that multiple respiratory viruses are currently circulating and advise against self-medication. People are urged to wear masks in crowded areas and seek medical attention if symptoms persist. In fact, a recent survey by Local Circles says 70% of households across Delhi, Gurgaon, Noida, Faridabad and Ghaziabad report at least one family member experiencing symptoms consistent with viral fever, influenza or COVID-like infection, signaling a widespread seasonal spike.
As you know, now we are nearing the end of winter, spring season is coming in, and this is the time when all influenza patients and respiratory patients start coming in. So definitely we are seeing an increase in the flu cases. H3N2 is a type of influenza virus only, and we are seeing more cases of cough, cold, sore throat, fever, which are symptoms of flu, could be H3N2, a simple flu also. So, but by and large, most patients are OPD patients, which we can treat on an OPD basis with simple antipyretics and treatments. Few cases who are at risk, like patients who have an underlying asthma, diabetes, or are chronically bedridden, they are at a higher risk for admissions. So definitely, वो patients जिनको underlying diseases है, उनके admissions हम increase देख रहे हैं.
Basically, H3N2, it's like a seasonal flu only. So it's not very dangerous per se right now. So how do we differentiate with the normal common cold thing? So common cold occurring because of the like allergy or these things will have a running nose, might have a redness of eyes, but usually does not cause cough or the myalgia, that is हमारे muscles में weakness या फिर लेथार्जी उतना उसमें नहीं होता जो एलर्जी की वजह से होता है. इन्फ्लुएंजा में ये बहुत ज़्यादा कॉमन है. तो ये जब होता है ये यूजुअली सीजनल स्प्रेड रहता है इनका, यूजुअली विंटर सीजन्स में ज़्यादा है. ये सीजन्स जो है वो ट्रॉपिकल्स के हिसाब से डिवाइड हो सकता है. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि जो इस मौसम में जो यहाँ पे नॉर्थ में है वही सेम ऐसा ही इसी मौसम में साउथ में हो. तो वो डिफरेंशिएट अलग अलग रीजन के हिसाब से हो सकता है. बट हाँ, कभी भी आपको ऐसा लगता है कि आपको इस इन्फ्लुएंजा के साथ आपको सांस लेने में प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है या ऐसा लगता है कि मेरा दम घुट रहा है या मेरे को महसूस हो रहा है, तो उस समय आपको डॉक्टर को कंसल्ट करना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. आई एम नॉट प्रिस्क्राइबिंग, आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि यू शुड गो एंड टेक दी ओवर द काउंटर ड्रग्स. यू शुड ऑलवेज कंसल्ट योर डॉक्टर फर्स्ट. But if at all you're taking the over-the-counter drugs, if your symptoms are persistent even after 2 days, you should definitely consult your doctor, because you never know at what stage of time these symptoms may get worsen and may become disastrous.
So the Delhi NCR region is witnessing a noticeable surge in flu-like illness, which largely is being attributed to the H3N2 strain of influenza A. And according to a recent Local Circles survey, nearly 70% of households across Delhi, Gurugram, Noida, Faridabad and Ghaziabad report at least one family member experiencing symptoms. Now, on your screens are details about who's at higher risk of being infected by the H3N2 strain of influenza.